What is going on? Trading recap today. 2 losses, 302 in drawdown. Only on the eval accounts. It's just how I marked out my chart on the other one. I mean, my bias was right, but it was just my entry was not. So bad entry. And really, we're going to see how far this runs now because now I'm pissed off. So this would have been the better entry. That is our target. But even then here, we'd been 30 handles if I had entered up in that fair value gap. But these are fair value gaps up on the 5-minute time frame. So, you know, we saw displacement down here, made a fair value gap. So this was the one that I was originally looking at. I didn't pay too much attention to this one. Entered in 1216. So I sold at 199. That was like at the very bottom and rode all the way up. Should have waited for it to hit the 50%, the equilibrium of the fair value gap, and then set my stop a little bit higher. But yeah, we continued through this one. We also had this order block here that I was hoping got respected, but it didn't. I'm not sure if that's really an order block though. I'm gonna need to sharpen up on all of that kind of stuff. But I know our fair value gaps here. This one did get respected. This one did not. But now we are just pushing through it to the downside. So we're just gonna have to watch price move without us. Although I am about to go to the gym, so I guess I'll be checking the charts while I'm at the gym. But probably no more trades today since I got to go to work at 3 p.m. Back to my normal shift. So we're back into the swing of things slightly, but kind of unfortunate not being able to make a little bit of profit today. But yeah, only losing 150 per trade. I think that's what I'm going to start doing on the funded as well. Just trade micros on M&Q. But would you look at that? And we also, here we have a breaker. So we scale our high, low, high, low, low. There's our bearish breaker block. Filled, respected the half, what I entered on this fair value gap, and then that's our unicorn model. So I'm expecting it to run quite a bit, at least take out these lows right here. But my bias for the day was actually, it was from yesterday. I was like, we've been going too high for too long. So I almost shorted overnight. That would have been some good profit, but yeah, nothing really much happening anymore. So, let's see. No news today. We had unemployment today, 8:30. I wasn't awake for any of that, so I didn't trade through it. But tomorrow at 9:45, we have manufacturing and services PMI. So yeah, we'll just be back on the charts tomorrow. Another losing day, not on the funded account. For good reason, I guess. But yeah, tomorrow we'll just have to come back a little bit better, a little bit stronger, make a little bit more money. But yeah, that puts our challenge accounts back into drawdown, which kind of sucks, but what can you do? Well, I know what I could do, trade correctly, but you know, easier said than done, right? But as far as that goes, that's going to be it for today. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace. What up, boys? We're back. I know I said no more training or no training. What the hell? No more trading. I know I said I wasn't going to take any more trades for the day, but I couldn't. I couldn't end the day in 300 in drawdown. So last time we left off, right? We had these trades, lost them, right? On the minis. This trade here, while I was at work, let's scale down to the 1, right? Pretty good trade, if I do say so myself, right? Entered on this bearish or bullish fair value gap here, or the confirmation of the fair value gap. I didn't actually get an entry in the fair value gap. Entry was around here, right?
and then it rallied. So I sold my first 2 contracts at 50. So let me actually just plot this out really quick. So my entries at 27. Turn off the magnet here. Entries here at 27, right? My stops were, oh, I didn't even actually have a stop loss really, but if it was gonna come around, if I lost around 11 points, I was gonna let it off. Let off my first contracts, first 2 contracts here, right? And then, oh shit, making too many copies, right? Oh shit. And then, right. The last one we held to 57 points, 57.5 points. Because why the hell not? That was actually because after all of that, right? I brought myself to $14 loss on the day total. So I literally gained back my $300 in that one fell swoop right there, right? But you know what? You know what they always say? You always want more, don't you? And you know what? I decided, feeling good. I mean, I'm at work, you know. Trading's feeling easy right now. I'm gonna make it work. Oh, I want the 5-second chart, just so that I have a little bit more, like, because these were dummy quick trades here to here. Actually, no, I think I ended the minis. I was around $30 negative on the day. That to that put me at $14 negative on the day, because I was 1 point. I should have sold it up here, but I sold it down here because I got scared. And then literally, like, this huge jump. I was like, wait a minute, it's respecting this bearish fair value gap a lot, pretty well, man. And then it just shit itself. But regardless, right? That put me at 14 bucks. Then this year, my buy, I don't know what changed, man. I went from longing to shorting, and I paid the fucking price, didn't I? Not really much to say, you know. Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing, but I think we ended the day around 150 in drawdown, but we're not actually in drawdown on the accounts, so that's pretty sick. But yeah, now I gotta, no trades on the funded still. I was not gonna better do some dumb shit on the funded account, even though I should have, man. Full port day tomorrow, hell yeah. But join the Discord. I don't know what else to say, man. Join the Discord. Like, I'm gonna do like live streams in there, because I used to, especially on Fridays, like, I'm be doing shit, bro. Might as well, you know. But yeah, so tune into the Discord. We gonna be making hella bread, right? We gonna make hella bread. But I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Peace out, bruh.